Have you ever wondered how much technology has shaped our lives? From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep, we're surrounded by innovations that have transformed our world. Consider the evolution of communication, from handwritten letters to instant messages in the blink of an eye. Can you imagine a world without smartphones or without the internet? These are not merely tools, they're extensions of ourselves, changing the way we interact, work, and play. Indeed, technology has become an essential part of our lives, hasn't it? But how do these technological innovations come into existence, you might wonder? It all starts with an idea, a spark of creativity that ignites the process of innovation. This spark often arises from our innate desire to solve problems, to make life easier, better, more fulfilling. Imagine for a moment if Thomas Edison had given up on the light bulb. What if he had decided that the problem was too complex, the solution too elusive? The world would be a much darker place, literally and figuratively. Edison's relentless perseverance, his refusal to accept failure, these are the hallmarks of a true innovator. But the journey from idea to innovation is not a solo endeavor. It requires collaboration, a meeting of minds, a collective effort to turn a concept into a practical application. Innovation, therefore, is not just about having a great idea. It's about the courage to challenge the status quo, the tenacity to overcome obstacles, the determination to make a difference. So it's not just about having a great idea, but also about the determination to bring it to life. Wouldn't you agree? What does the future hold for technological innovation? This is a question that sparks curiosity, excitement, and perhaps a little bit of apprehension. As we stand on the precipice of a brave new world, we can only wonder what marvels of technology might become everyday realities. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but an integral part of our lives. Could our homes, our workplaces, even our cities become smarter, more efficient, and more responsive to our needs? And then there's the realm of virtual reality. Today, we dip our toes into fantastical worlds, experience thrilling adventures, or simply escape the mundane, all through the lens of a VR headset. But what if the line between the virtual and the real continues to blur? Could we one day live in a world where virtual experiences are indistinguishable from physical ones? Quantum computing, too, promises to revolutionize our world. These supercomputers could solve problems in seconds that would take our current computers thousands of years. Could this lead to groundbreaking discoveries in fields like medicine, climate science, and space exploration? But as we ponder these possibilities, we must also consider the challenges and responsibilities that come with them. How can we ensure that these advancements benefit everyone and not just a privileged few? The possibilities are endless, aren't they? What do you think the world will look like in the next decade thanks to technological innovation? As we marvel at the future of innovation, it's crucial to remember that we all play a part in this unfolding narrative. Every like, share, and comment on platforms like this one propels us closer to that future. By engaging with content that delves into technological advancements, you're not just a passive observer, you're an active participant in the conversation, and who knows, your insights might just spark the next big idea. So don't stop exploring, questioning, and dreaming. After all, today's dreams could become tomorrow's reality. As we wrap up this exploration of innovation, we invite you to continue the journey with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and share it with others who share your curiosity. Together, we can navigate the exciting terrain of the future. Thank you for watching, and here's to the endless possibilities that innovation holds.